Hello, my name is Allyson Burnett, and I am the Director of Virtual Learning for Sibme. I'm recording this short video to help you understand the web version of the Sibme platform and the different functions and tools that are available to you as you participate in our Sibme Virtual Coaching Program. In the near future, your coach will share with you in your coaching report some links to videos that will show you how to use our mobile apps. Today, we're focusing on the web app. We're focusing, in other words, on the Sibme application that's available on your laptop. So here I am in the login screen, and you can see the URL address is app.sibme.com. That's going to take me to my login screen. We recommend that you bookmark this. Here from the login screen, once I've entered my information, I can decide to sign in. And whenever I sign in, I'm going to be taken to my coaching account. Here I am in my Sibme coaching account, and our objective today really is to review with you a few spaces on the account and help you understand how to do some of the work you're going to need to be able to do within the Sibme platform. So here we are. I want to explain today the difference between workspace and huddles. I want to talk about how you can get help from Sibme's technology, and I want to talk about how to record in the web version and then what to do with that video once it's recorded. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's talk about some important spaces in the Sibme platform. You have something called your workspace, which you can access by tapping on this particular link. You also have something called your huddles. The difference between these two spaces is that your workspace is for private self-reflection. No one can see the videos that you have in your workspace. The good news is that the Sibme workflow is such that when you record a video, whether you record it from the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet or iPad, or whether you record from the web version of the platform, that video is going to go into your private workspace. And it will stay there until you choose, or if you choose, to share that video out into shared spaces. And those shared spaces are called huddles. Huddles are by invitation only. You have to be invited into a huddle in order to participate in a huddle. You will have a huddle with your Sibme coach. That's the only huddle that you'll have. So you have two spaces to be concerned with: your workspace, a private space for self-reflection. That's where all your videos will initially go. And whenever you're ready and you choose to, you'll share videos out of your workspace and into your coaching huddle so your coach can see your videos. I also today want to talk with you about how you get help if you have technology questions regarding how to use Sibme's technology. We have a robust help center with hundreds of articles that are searchable. All I have to do is select the help center link and type my search right here. Every article that's related to what I'm searching for is going to populate, and I can choose the article that will best answer my question. Another way of getting help on the web version of things is down here using this widget. When I select that widget, I'm going to get a list of folks who are online and ready to assist me. Our technical support folks are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I type my question in the text box, and I will soon be involved in a chat with the technology folks at Sibme. There are a few other whistles and bells, some things that are on perhaps my home screen or my welcome screen that you're not going to see on yours. That's okay. You have exactly what you need in order to be successful with the platform. So let's go ahead and look more specifically at our workspace and how things operate in the workspace. So here you are in my workspace. I've chosen to have you sort of look over my shoulder here in my workspace. And you can see in my workspace is just a collection of videos that I've made over the last many years. So these are all private. No one can see these unless I choose to share them out. You can see I have 55 videos in my workspace. So what I want to talk about in these videos is a couple of things. First of all, I want you to know that when I record a video, either from the web version of things by selecting that green plus button and saying, hey, record a video. If I have a webcam and a microphone, I can record a video just by selecting that. I have to say, okay, I understand that I have to have a good internet connection, otherwise my file will be corrupt. Once I accept that, you're going to see that the camera opens up. There I am. Hello, I'm going to press record, and that's going to record a video until I stop the recording. And now I'm going to get a link to the video I've recorded, and I'm going to choose to upload that video. When I upload it, guess where it's going to go? That's right, it's going to go into my workspace. So what I want to do next is I probably want to rename that video. Just recording on August 17th isn't very good. So I'm going to choose the more dots here and select rename. And let's say, for example, I'm going to just say that I'm going to name this How Sibme Works. And when I select done, you'll see the video is in fact renamed. What else I want to show you here is that from the outside looking in, I can crop that video. So sometimes my coach might ask me for a 5-minute video, but I've forgotten and I've recorded a 30-minute video. I can edit or crop that video by simply dragging from the beginning and dragging from the end, and then previewing the video, making sure I have exactly the section recorded that I want, and then I can choose to crop that video. When I choose to crop that video, please notice that I do not lose the initial video. I now just have a trimmed version of that initial video, and that's going to make my coach very happy. So that's how easy it is to both rename a video and crop a video here in the Sibme platform. Let's go ahead and go inside of one of these videos. I'm trying to find one I want to go into. Let's go ahead and open this up. So when I open that video up, I want to show you a few other things that I can do within that video. So I want you to know that not only will the videos that you record automatically go to your workspace, but you have the opportunity to add notes to that video. And these notes are going to be time-stamped. So I'm going to turn my volume down here. I'm watching a video, and when I begin to type my notes, the video is going to pause. That's how it's the default setting. And I'm going to say something, sort of a note to self, great job with wait time. Once I post that comment is going to be added at the very moment that I began to type that note. So at 11 seconds in the video, I was saying to myself, great job with wait time. You notice you can edit that as well. And when I share this video, if I share this video with my coach can reply to my comments, which is a very nice feature. So feedback and interaction is going in both directions. That's really what I want to show you here in terms of the text box. There are other whistles and bells that you can do here, but that's what I want to show you for now. So what I want to do now is I want to go back to that video I've just worked on, and I want you to know that your videos are here safe and sound in my workspace until I choose to share them out. That's the next thing I want to show you, is sharing a video out. This is the video I was working on. You'll notice that this video, I made that one comment on there, and I want to share this video now with my coach. So I choose simply the share button, and I'll be given a list of the huddles in which I'm participating. In your case, the huddle, your coaching huddle, will be your name and almost always the number 1. 99% of the time, your name and the number 1. That's the only coaching huddle. That's the only place you can possibly share this video into, which is great. And the way I share the video is I select the box beside my name, and if my coach has asked for my notes, I'm going to also check that box, share video comments, and then I'm going to choose to share that video. Once I've shared that video, I'm going to get a success notification, very nice, and now I'm going to go into, and it's going to take me into, or I can choose to go into my huddles so I can check to see if my video actually made it in there safely. So I can open up my huddle and I can see, gee, did that video I just shared make it in there successfully? And that way I know it's safe and sound and my coach can access the video. So let's see if there's anything else to say. I think I've covered everything I wanted to discuss with you today on the web version of things. And please remember that your coach is there to assist you if you have any questions, but also our technology folks are there to support you as well. Thank you for your time today, and thanks for choosing Sibme for virtual coaching.